Analysts, iPhone SE 2 will be released in March, and the iPhone 12 Pro will receive 6 GB of RAM, Barclays analyst Blaine Curtis, after talking with manufacturers in the component supply chain for Apple, made some predictions about future iPhone smartphones. Mr. Curtis claims that in February 2020 the production of the budget device iPhone SE 2 will be organized. In terms of design, this model is rumored to be similar to iPhone 8. The novelty is credited with the availability of an A13 processor, 3 GB of RAM, a flash drive with a capacity of 64 and 128 GB, a 4.7-inch diagonal screen and Touch ID sensor. It is reported that the iPhone SE 2 will go on sale in March. The price allegedly will be from $399. Dark gray, silver, and red color options will be available. Another forecast concerns future smartphones of the iPhone 12 family. Barclays analyst believes that the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max models will carry 6 GB of RAM on board, while the basic version of the iPhone 12 will receive 4 GB of RAM. Like the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max smartphones series, iPhone 12 will be able to work in 5th generation mobile networks, 5G. They will be equipped with a multi-module main camera. The official announcement is expected in September 2020.